QTP are pleased to introduce the latest addition in our lighting range for John Deere tractors. We now offer a complete solution for the repair and replace of the 6000 series roof-mounted work lamps. Developed in-house by QTP's research and development team, the kit includes 4 cab roof lamps which are available in either LED or seal beam, 2 roof lamp surrounds, 4 gaskets, and all the fitting screws and brackets. The LED kit can be found under QTP code 58538 and the seal beam kit can be found under QTP code 58539. The kits are now in stock and ready for your order. For any more information, log on to qtponline.com.